Hi everyone, a very happy new year to everyone. So I hope you guys must have been started with your even semester now, and some of the guys would be having their semester break as of now, but most of the guys would have been started with their even semester. So now you guys are having roughly around 6 to 7 months, and after that you will be having your internship and placement season. If you are someone from NIT, then you are having time of 11 months. But if you are someone from NITs or from Tier 2 college, then you are having a time of 6 to 7 months. So in this 6 to 7 month, how to utilize this time, that I'm gonna tell you. Here, this is not a roadmap video. Roadmap video has been already made. Here I'm gonna tell what all things you need to take care and how to utilize the time. Here I'm not gonna tell what topics you need to cover. What topics you need to cover, that has been already told. So those things also I'm gonna tell in this video only. So just watch this video till the end and you will have a very clear idea that how to utilize 6 to 7 months of remaining time. And even if you have studied nothing, even if you are starting right from the zero, still this video will be helpful for you. Like right from the zero, you have wasted your complete 3 semester or 5 semester. Let's just say you are in fourth semester, then you might have wasted your 3 semesters, and if you are in a sixth semester, then it might happen that you have wasted your 5 semesters. And even if you are in M.Tech second semester, then also it will be helpful for you. So for M.Tech second semester guys, also it is helpful, right? But before starting this video, a very small update. So you guys must be wondering why I'm not uploading a videos on this particular channel, on Himanshu Agarwal's channel. So I was getting messages as well that why I am inconsistent on YouTube, because I am inconsistent on Himanshu Agarwal's channel. I am not inconsistent on YouTube. So this is my other channel, Prep Fusion Gate. Here we are two guys, me and Anish sir. So we two guys upload videos here. So most of my videos has been uploaded on this particular channel. You can already see there are 654 videos. So I am uploading more of my content on this particular channel. Okay, so you can go and subscribe this channel, and this channel will be helpful for gate guys as well, and it will be helpful for placement guys as well. So don't get confused with the name that here gate is written. So it will helpful not only for gate, it is helpful for your placements as well. Okay, so let's get started with the video now. So first we will discuss some general points that what I will be expecting from your side. Since you guys must be from IITs, NITs, or you are from Tier 2 college. So I will be treating you in that manner only because I have been at your place as well. So in that manner only I am treating you. Here I am not telling that blindly study all day because that is not possible for a IIT and IT guy, because I know like college curriculum. I know like what is the environment in college, that I already know. So I'm not gonna put unrealistic expectations on you, but certainly a certain amount of things that needs to be done if you are aiming for a very good job. So if you are someone in B.Tech, then I'm expecting that you can arrange 3 to 4 hours consistently. What do I mean by consistently? That always you need to study 3 to 4 hours. Now it might happen that someday you did not get that much time, and it might happen that someday you are getting a lot of time, right? Like someday you went out with someone, so you are not having that much of time, so it might happen with you, right? But let's just say on weekend you are having a lot of time, like someday you are having assignment and all those things. So on an average 25 hours of effort I am requiring from your side in a week. 25 hours of effort in a week, and I guess that is something that I can expect from a B.Tech student. Like 25 hours of effort for a week, if you are giving me, then that would be more than enough for you. More than enough, I'm saying. Much more than enough. Okay. And since masters guys have much more work than B.Tech guys, right? They have their major project as well, and they need to write thesis and all those things. So masters guys would be having much more pressure than the B.Tech. So for them, I am asking 2 to 3 hours per day, because they have already studied all these subjects. They have prepared for GATE, so certainly they are having much more knowledge than B.Tech guys. So M.Tech guys, if they are giving 2 to 3 hours, then also it would be more than enough for them. So B.Tech 3 to 4 hours, M.Tech 2 to 3 hours. Now there are some general things in college that we need to talk about. First thing, you need to be decently active in your college societies. Now let us say your hobby is dancing or singing, and you are active in your dancing society, you are active in your debating society, wherever you are active. So I'm not saying that drop your hobbies completely and just keep on studying. No, that is not practical, and this is something you do not need to do. You need to enjoy your college life as well, but be decently active. What I mean to say is that do not blindly volunteer that I am gonna organize this fest, so I am gonna volunteer this thing, I am gonna get sponsorship, I am gonna get do this thing, that thing. No, you are not supposed to do these kind of things. Put these kind of things on first years. Why first years are there? Look, in India, all the degrees are of 3 years, right? All the bachelor's degree are of 3 years. Why B.Tech is of 4 years? Because first year is to do the work. So put your all the society work on first year. If you need to design a poster, then tell the first year guy to design it. If you need to get sponsorship, then give the contacts to the first year guy and ask them to get the sponsorship. If you need to pick up the chairs, then ask the first year guys to pick up the chairs. Okay, don't, if you are someone who is in first year and watching this video, don't get offended. It is what it is. This is how college life goes. When first year guys will get into second year, then they will do the same thing, and this is how it goes. Okay, there is nothing wrong about it. So you are not supposed to do this work, no. Like if you want to study, then study. Like these things are good for your fun, and certainly you should be involved in these kind of things. I never ever demotivate anyone to involve in these kind of things, but what happens is that most of the engineering student forget that they are student. You are a student. Never ever forget that you are a student. So what is the job of a student? The job of a student is to study. So be active in all these kind of activities, but study as well. So be decently active. I am not saying that completely inactive you should be, decently active only. And do not needlessly only volunteer in college events that you go here, go there, organize that thing, that this thing. Just be decently active. Just take your part in the college society or in college events, and just take your part. That's it. Okay. And again I'm writing, don't ignore your hobbies completely. If you are someone who likes to play cricket, who likes to play badminton, who likes to play volleyball, who likes to play basketball, who likes to sing, dance, so do not completely drop it. Give enough time to your hobbies. If you go to gym, then do not drop going to gym. Give enough time to your hobbies, but certainly you need to synchronize your studies as well. So do not drop studying at all. This is what I wanted to say. And now let's just say there is cultural fest or tech fest, and those will be of roughly around 4 days. I don't think anywhere the tech fest would go for more than 4 days, or cultural fest would go for more than 4 days. So in those 4 days, you don't need to study. Just completely enjoy your fest. Okay. And whenever you are enjoying, whenever you are involved in the hobbies, never ever think about your studies. So this is what you need to proceed. This is how an engineer needs to proceed. When I am not studying at that time, I know I will not be thinking about the studies. Okay. And yeah, don't ignore your coursework completely. Like you can give less notice to the coursework, but do not completely ignore it. Like at least 7 CGPA you require. This is the least requirement. Worst case I'm saying. Worst case you need to keep your CGPA 7. And for M.Tech guys I would say it is 8. For masters I would say it is 8, and for bachelors I would say 7. Try keeping your CGPA 7. So this was just some general point that I wanted to tell you guys, that how to be smart enough in your preparation. Smart enough that you are enjoying your college life as well. Along with that you are studying as well. But if you too much enjoy, then that enjoyment will also be not that grateful for you, because study hard in second and third year. First year will be of ragging. First year will be of getting ragged and doing the work. Work hard in your second year and third year for your academics. Do well in the placement season, and then enjoy in the fourth year. This is how an ideal engineering life goes. Okay. But you need to be consistent enough, and you need to be smart enough for that. So this is what I wanted to tell with these slides. So these were the general points. Here I'm not starting the schedule and all these kind of things. So let's move to the next slide now. Now, how much time you are having? A general calculation if we do it. So internship season, mostly it will start from August onwards, and in BITS Pilani I guess it starts from July onwards. And I don't think in any other college it starts from July onwards. So in most of the colleges, this is the earliest time that it will start from August onwards. So you are having roughly around 7 months from now onwards if you keep on studying. So you are having 7 months. Now 1 month will be wasted in your semester exams and extracurricular. Like in semester exam, it would go, end sem would go around 10 to 12 days, and mid sem would go around 6 to 7 days. Now in your college, if you end sem is going for 20 days, then that is of no use. In between, you will be having a lot of time. So at that, in that time as well, you study for your placements. Like let's just say today I am having the exam of engineering mathematics, and after 10 days I am having the exam of signal system. So in between if there is a lot of gaps, I don't think these kind of gaps are there in NITs or IITs or in tier 2 college, but I have seen in tier 3 college there is big gap. So if there is big gap at that time, you need to do your own work, right? So if there is big gaps in your examination, then better study for your placements or for any gate examination you are studying. So yeah, that's the thing. So this is how you need to utilize. So I am saying that mostly 1 month will be wasted in extracurricular and your semester exams. Like if we talk about semester exam, then it would be for 20 days, and extracurricular, by extracurricular I mean like cultural fest and tech fest. So those would go around roughly around 10 days. So in those 10 days, it might happen that you are not studying at all. So I am keeping those 30 days completely aside, that you are not studying at all in those days. So how much time you would be left with? 180 days, not 180 months. You will be left with 6 months. And in those 6 months, you will be having your college days on 100 days, and for 80 days, like there would be Saturday, Sunday as well. There would be weekends. There would be some festive holidays. There would be some then there will be semester break as well. So 80 days will be of your holidays only, and roughly around 100 days of college would be there. That is the max thing. So in the college time, you need to get at least 3 to 4 hours, and in those 80 days, when it might happen that you are doing some internship, or it might happen that you are completely having your semester break, and it might happen that you are doing something else. So in those 80 days, you need to maximize your time. In those 80 days, I would be expecting that you are giving me 5 to 6 hours, and in those 100 days, I am expecting that you are giving me 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so this is for the complete preparation. Like if you are doing from zero to everything, for that I am saying, if you are studying on surface level, then also there is chance that you can get placed. Like the guy who studies hardly for 6 months, that guy also get placed. And I have seen a lot of guys who studied just for 10 days only. Hardly for 10 days they studied, and they studied the things on surface level. The same things were asked in the interview, and then they got selected. But this video is not for those 10 days guys. This video is for those guys who believe in hard work, right? Not in luck. Let's go to the next slide. So in this video, again I am saying, I am not telling you the roadmap. Roadmap has been already covered. So in this video, the roadmap is there, that what all topics you need to cover, from where you can cover it, what are the free resources, what are the paid resources, which projects you need to do, how much. Now in this video, I am telling you how much time you should give to a particular topic. So here for analog VLSI profile as well, for digital VLSI profile as well, and for mixed signal, both are combined. So for both of the profiles, I have given what all the resources you need to study, where you need to study from, how much topics you need to cover, which all topics you need to cover. So every single thing has been, and also resources has been also given in this particular video. So you need to watch this video. Views are pretty disappointing. I took a lot of effort in making this video, but I don't know why this video did not shoot up. But yeah, no worries. But in this video, you find every single thing, every information, every doubt will be cleared. Now this video is only for those guys who are thinking that, sir, how to manage the time, how we need to proceed, how much time should be given to a particular topic. So that's why I'm bringing it. Okay. So now let's start the actual meaning of this video. Now we are going to start our schedule. Before that, there will be question that, sir, which profile I should prepare for, analog or digital? Prepare for both. I have been seeing the students for past 4 years, since I am in third year. So far, it's been 4 years. I have seen students preparing for placements, be it in my college, from other college, from everywhere. I have seen students preparing for placements, and those who went for only one profile, they have very high risk, very high risk. Like let's just say I say that I am going only for analog profile, very high risk is there. I am only going for digital profile, again there is very high risk. Prepare for both, and both can be prepared very smartly and in a minimum time as well. Now assuming that you are watching this video in a let's just say you are watching this video in April month. In April month you are watching this video. If you are watching this video in April month or May month, then the time is less. Now you haven't started anything, you don't know anything, and you are watching this video in April month or in May month, and you don't have that much of time, then you need to pick one profile. But if you are watching it in June or if you are watching it in January or February, then you are having enough time and you can prepare for both of the profile. Certainly and smartly you can prepare for both of the profiles, certainly. Okay, so don't go with the risk that I have prepared only for analog profile, then I will be targeting only analog profile. No, prepare for both. Now schedule. Just a second, just one sec. Yeah, so first we are going to start with analog profile. Okay, and this particular whatever that I am gonna tell now, this is not only for analog profile, this is for everyone, whether you are preparing for digital profile, whether you are preparing for analog profile, or you are preparing for both. So at least you need to do this part, basic electrical science. This is very important for analog profile, but this is important for digital profile as well. What digital profile students think that we will only prepare digital electronics and those sequential circuit, FSM, STA, COA, those part we will prepare, and we will drop this basic electrical science. This is the worst thing you can do. Even if you are preparing for digital profile, you need to do this basic electrical science. Till what point you will do? Till transient analysis. After that, control system part will start. That you can drop if you are preparing for digital profile. But if you are preparing for analog, you need to prepare this one as well, and then diode circuit is also there. So as per me, we are starting with the analog profile now, because I am telling you the schedule of preparing both. Now it's up to you whether you want to go for one profile or for both profile. My recommendation would be go for both of the profiles. So now basic electrical science, basic of control system, and diode circuit. This would take hardly 40 days. This is more than enough time I have written, because Like this is something that you are getting started. You are getting started into the electronics. So first time you are getting started, that's why I have written more time. 40 days it would take, not more than that. And this I have written as per my playlist. So this playlist is available on YouTube freely. Analog VLSI Mastery Cohort 0 to 10. This you need to type, or you can go to our channel and you can go to the playlist section. So it is available completely for free. So this much portion you can cover from here. Or other resources also I have given in this particular video. You can watch there. Other resources I also have given. But if you feel like that your frequency matches with me, then you can study from here as well. Is that clear? Okay. So this is the playlist which you can follow for these topics. And if you follow this playlist, and or if you follow some other playlist of these topics, then you would at least you would get to know that whether you want to proceed in this field or not. At least you will have an idea that if you are made for electrical electronics engineering or not, whether you are want to go into VLSI or not. If you are someone in M.Tech, you don't have any option. You have to go for VLSI because you have chosen it. But if you are someone in B.Tech, because EC engineers, 90% of the EC engineers do software job only. So if you are someone like that who studied from here or from some other resources, and you feel like that you did not understand this thing well, or you are not getting interest, then you can drop it. So at least give a fair chance. At least give a fair chance to electrical and electronics engineering. This is what I always tell to my juniors. They ask me whether should I go for engineering, whether should I go for HD role or should I go for hardware roles. So I always say give one chance. If you have selected your EC engineering or electrical engineering as your engineering branch, then at least give a fair chance. If you are given fair chance and you are not able to understand it, then drop it. But give one fair chance to your subjects, right? Then after that, what we need to do, then next 45 days we will be taking for MOSFETs, op-amp and BJTs. Okay, so these in next 45 days we are going to cover MOSFETs, op-amp and BJT, and with that our analog profile will be completed. Now from my side, MOSFET, op-amp and BJT are not available completely for free on YouTube. Like you guys must be knowing, I have some paid courses, and regarding those paid courses I will tell later on as well. But from my side, those topics are not completely available for free. But if you are looking for free resources, then here I have told like which books you can follow, which videos you can follow. So in this video I have told that how to prepare for placements, and resources also I have told. But if you feel like that you need to study from me, then you need to come to the paid courses, because like you would be knowing that how much hours of content I have provided, and that is not possible for me to provide everything for free. Whatever that I can provide, whatever that I can do on my own level, that I am doing, because like here at least students should know whether they want to study this subject or not. So that's why I have provided it completely for free. Later on, if you feel like that your frequency matches with me, then you can come. But this is not a promotion of my courses. I'm just telling whatever that is available from my side on YouTube. So I have this MOSFET marathon 1 and 2. So half of the portion of MOSFET is completed on YouTube from my side. So these two marathon you can watch for MOSFETs. For op-amp as well there is some content, but not all the content is there. For BGT as well there is some content, but not all the content is there. Okay. So no matter from wherever you are studying, I don't care about that. All the resources are equally good, and certainly I have huge respect for everyone who makes content, because it takes a lot of effort for making the content. Once you start making the content, then you will realize it. If you are someone who is in your masters and you feel like that what this guy is doing, then I would say one thing only to you: pick a stylus and try teaching on YouTube. You will realize what kind of effort it takes to deliver a particular lecture on YouTube, and certainly you will realize that, and then you will start respecting the educators. Yeah, forget about that. I am just going off topic. Yeah, so what I was saying, so these things, these 45 days you need to take MOSFETs, op-amp and BJT. You can take 45 days for covering these topics, and if you want to study MOSFETs, then I have given 2 marathons. Otherwise, I have given you the resources of Rajavi sir and Campion D sir, and I have given the resources of Nagendra Krishnapura sir as well. Along with that, Shanti Pawan sir's videos are also there. So those videos also you can watch. But this is something that is of my own, and for resources you need to watch this video again and again. I'm saying. Okay, so this is the schedule for next 45 days. So conclusion is, till mid-April, if you are starting from now onwards, then till mid-April you should be done with analog profile. Then you can do the revision along with that. After that, we will be getting started with our digital profile. So for first 15 days, like after mid-April, for first 15 days, you should cover these basic parts. This is the basic part of digital: Boolean algebra, logic gates, K-maps, number system, binary code, and their arithmetics and combination circuits. So this is the basic part of digital. So as of now, there is no content from my side from this part, but now I am starting a new playlist. So this is an announcement from my side. We are starting a new playlist from 6th January onwards. That is digital design for campus placement. So what it will cover? Will it cover the complete portion of digital design? Really sorry to say, no. It cannot cover the complete portion because it is something around 140 hours of content, and that is taking a lot of effort, right? So we cannot cover everything for free on YouTube, but certainly I will give you enough content that will make you realize that what kind of content we are providing, and secondly, you will realize that whether your frequency matches with me, and thirdly, you will realize whether you are interested in this field or not. So more than enough content, more than enough content that we can provide on YouTube, that we are providing. So here I will cover the combination circuit, okay, and completely till combination circuit. Till combination circuit means all these topics will be covered. Boolean algebra, from starting from here to till combination circuit. Completely these topics will be covered. Then STA is a very typical portion. So that I have already uploaded a video on STA. FSM is also a very typical topic. So some videos of FSM also I am gonna bring. Some videos of sequencer circuits also I am gonna bring. Those are typical topic. Those are typical topic. Those videos I am gonna bring. And some videos of Verilog will also come. Some videos of COE will also come, and some videos of CMOS VLSI will also come. So all the typical topics I am gonna upload. But you cannot expect a complete comprehensive course from my side. If you now want to study from me, then you can come to the courses. But no matter from wherever you are studying, if you feel like that you need some typical topics that let's just say I'm not understanding FSM in digital electronics, then you can message me that, sir, I am not understanding FSM, so can you upload the video of FSM on YouTube? Then certainly I will look into it and I can upload it. So typical topics, typical one topic, two topics, three topics, four topics I can cover. But you please do not expect from my side that, sir, please bring complete sequencer circuits on your YouTube channel. I cannot start what is latches. From there, I am not gonna start on YouTube. Certainly in comprehensive courses, I am starting from there, but on YouTube, I am not gonna start what is latches. Are you able to understand this point? But if you are saying that, sir, I cannot understand master slave JK flip flop, then for that I can bring the video. Okay, and till combination circuit, I will start everything right from the scratch. So if you are having zero idea about digital electronics, if you are having zero idea about digital domain, still you can follow this playlist and you will have a very good idea or very clear idea about digital design. So till combination circuits we are going to cover, and certainly you will get the interest in digital profile as well. There is no doubt that certainly you are going to get the interest. So this is the playlist that I have made, and from 6th January onwards, videos will start coming, and two videos will come one day. In one day, two videos will come. Two videos per day. One video at 11 a.m. and other video at 5 p.m. On this channel, videos would be coming. So till combination circuit I have planned, and then few videos I have planned. Rest all depends on the response. If I am getting very good response, then it might happen that I end up uploading more and more videos. Okay. Now, what will be the schedule of next days? Then in next 20 days, you can cover sequencer circuit, FSM and STA. After that, you can cover, in 5 days, you can cover CMOS integrated circuit and RC circuits, or you would have already studied it. If you have already studied RC circuit, then it is fine, because in the first slide, when we were discussing this, I told you that you need to cover basic electrical science. So here you would have already studied RC circuits. If you have studied, then it is fine. Otherwise, you can cover here. Then COA you need to cover. Then for next 10 days, you need to cover Verilog. And the conclusion is by the June end, we will be done with both of the parts, analog profile as well, and this digital profile as well. So by June end, we should be done with both of the parts. So in that manner, if you need to go, I have just told that how much time should be given to some particular topic that I have written here. So in that manner, you need to synchronize your studies. Okay. So that's the thing. And in July month, you would be doing the revision, and you will be doing the aptitude practice. So this is what you will be doing in the July. Now, what did I say? That I cannot give the complete comprehensive course on YouTube. I can provide a lot of content, but I can give the complete notes. So I teach on slides, and whenever I teach, I write down the things very neatly. So complete notes I can give. I have my own notes which I can give, which I have taught in the slides only. Whatever that I am teaching, that I have written down in the notes. So those notes I can give. So now I will show you the notes, that how to get the notes. So you need to go to your browser and you need to type prepfusion.in. So now I need to pause the video. So I will also go to my browser and I will type prepfusion.in, and then I will tell you how to access your notes. Okay. So I will pause the video now. Yeah. So there we are. What did we type? Prepfusion.in. PREPFUSION prepfusion.in. So free full notes you can avail. What you need to do, you need to go to this placement course section, placement courses, and then you need to go to this particular course, campus to core, a complete course for written test and interviews. So you need to go to this course and you need to click on view details. When you click on view details, you will go to the content. Now here you can see digital design for campus placement, aptitude for campus placement, guidance video, analog VLSI mastery cohort 0 to 10. So what you will do, analog VLSI mastery cohort 0 to 10. So this is roadmap and all these kind of things. Now this is the first chapter, basics of network analysis. 16 videos are there and one PDF is there. And this one PDF is available absolutely for free. You might need to log in. If you log in, then you will get this PDF that is absolutely for free, and also you will be able to download it. So chapter wise PDF are uploaded in case of analog. Okay, so this is the second chapter, one PDF is uploaded. This is the third chapter of transient analysis, so one PDF is uploaded. This is the fourth chapter, basics of control system, and this is a miscellaneous concept. These are miscellaneous concept, like some RS circuits are there, some marathons are there, some big videos are there. So these are miscellaneous concept. So those also have been uploaded here, and separate PDF is also uploaded. So you can get the PDFs from here, and these PDFs are written very neatly. Okay, it's not like that this is some rough work. Then very neatly it is done. Like you can get the printout of it as well. You can get the printout of these things as well. Okay, and you can see the PDF on your own. So these are very neatly written. This is the PDF of MOSFET, OPAM, BJTs, then stability analysis. This is a small topic, and some interview questions are also there, and these live sessions are also there. So those PDFs you can avail. Okay, this was for analog profile, and this is for the digital profile. So in digital profile, I have already uploaded the notes in a separate portion only. So this is the complete notes of digital design for campus placement. So this covers only the digital part. Then there will be some part of COA. So that COA part is not there. This covers the complete digital part. Digital design for campus placement. This covers the digital part. Then for the notes of COA, so here you need to go. So here this is digital CMOS circuit. This part is covered. This is the RC circuit part. Now this is your COA part. Computer organization and architecture and semiconductor memories. So this part is there. So now some part would be coming and some part has been already uploaded. So here are the all notes PDF. So you can go here and get the PDF from there. So you can utilize this website to get the notes. If you are not studying with the course, you can at least get the notes. And secondly, here there are no Verilog videos as of now, but Verilog videos will come. By the mid of March, Verilog videos will also be coming. So Verilog notes also we are going to upload, like syntax and all those things. Whatever the notes we can get from Verilog, those notes also we are going to upload. As of now, COE is also not completely uploaded. Along with that, this Verilog is also not completely uploaded. So both of the things we are going to upload by the mid of March. Okay, and then we have the aptitude as well. So you need to go to this courses, 12-month course. Here only you will get the PDF for free. In other courses, the PDFs are paid. Although those courses are same only, those PDFs are also same. But here I have specifically made it free. So you need to click on this particular course. Okay. Then for aptitude as well, like for different chapter, different PDF are there. So you can see for aptitude as well. So in that manner, you can get your PDF. So this is how you can get the PDFs. So even if you are studying from somewhere else, at least you can get the PDFs. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Now let's get back to our slide mode. So I will again pause the video and then I will get back to the slide mode. Yeah, so now we have seen how to access the notes. So going on to the website, we can access the notes. So I have told you about the resources as well, which you can go and check out this video if you want to see the free resources. Along with that, I have given these free content, and also we are starting this playlist as well. Along with that, this MOSFET marathon is available. This playlist is also available, and a lot of content in different playlists are also available. Now I will talk about my paid courses. Okay. Now these are my paid courses. So here I am teaching all the things comprehensively right from the scratch. So this is the course for analog VLSI profile, analog VLSI mastery code 0 to 100 for 6 months access and 12 months access. So you can choose as per you, and the promo code is job20. This promo code is working as of now, that is job20, and it will be applicable for first 100 students. Only it will be applicable for first 100 students. So once you are done looking at the free content, and if you feel like that your frequency matches with me and you want to come for the paid courses, then you can come. Otherwise you can study from YouTube as well. So this is the course that is there for 6 months and 12 months. So if you want to purchase, you can purchase it. The promo code is job20 and it covers everything that is required for you. So here the tech part is of around 180 hours and the aptitude part is of 60 hours. So roughly around 240 hours of content is there, and to make this 240 hours of content, I took roughly around like 800 hours of effort. So that much effort is there. It took more than that only. So if I am charging, like, this would cost you less than 3,000. This course will cost you less than 3,000. So if I am charging that much amount of money for this course, then it is fine. Like, you would know how much this training institute charges. Like, they teach for 90 days for every day 2 to 3 hours, and they charge lakhs of rupees. So if I am charging 3,000 for this, then I don't think that is much more. I don't think that is way more. than anything. Okay, and yeah, and free resources are also given you if you want to study from there. If you cannot afford, then you can study from free resources as well. Now talking about the digital course, so this is the course for digital design. 8 months access and 15 months access is there, so you can choose accordingly. So again, the promo code is job20 only, and it will be applicable for 100 students. So in this, what all things we are covering? We are covering that digital electronics part till combination circuits, then sequencer circuit, FSM, STA, ADC, DAC, ADC, DAC on surface level only. So those ADC, DAC, whatever that is required, those things we are covering. After that, here we are covering that CMOS VLSI part as well. RC circuits also we are covering. Along with that, then we will start the COA part, and Verilog part would also be there. So these parts we are covering in this particular course. As of now, COA part is half uploaded and Verilog part is not even uploaded. So Verilog will be uploaded by mid of March and COA will also be uploaded by mid of March. So as of now, you can cover the digital electronics part, and after that you can cover you can go to the COA and Verilog part. So that will be uploaded later on. If you want to study Verilog, you need to study digital electronics first. So first you can study the digital electronics part, and by the end of March at least, or by the mid of March, we are going to complete everything, every curriculum of the course. So this was the course for digital profile, and you can go and check out the curriculum as well. Everything is mentioned in the curriculum itself on the website. And now this is the course for aptitude. If you want to go for aptitude, then also you can go. There are courses for COA as well. Separate courses for COA is also there. Now, if you don't want to purchase these separate courses, then there is this combined course. This is one course which covers everything: analog, digital, aptitude, everything it covers. That is, here the access is for 6 months, and here the access is of 12 months. So it covers every single thing. So both combined courses are there. So you can go and check out these courses as well. So you can visit the website and you can apply the code job20. And what all things you are getting in our courses, so that is the main important thing. So full syllabus coverage is there. This I am talking about all the content. Analog design 180 hours, digital design plus COA plus Verilog 130 hours, and aptitude is of 60 hours, and combined 25 plus assignments are there. And more than like this is the minimum number I have written. We guys we have solved around 3000 problems. Okay, and along with that, we will be added to the personalized guidance group, and along with that you can ask your guidance kind of query as well, and you can ask your doubts as well. You can ask your technical doubt, you can ask your non-technical doubt. So I will be connected with you there. And along with that, we are not just giving the content, we are designing the test series as well. So in the test series as well, there are a lot of great level of questions has been designed. So those questions also you will be getting in the test series format. So your written test preparation will also be done, and along with that we are providing lecture notes PDF as well. So all these things we are providing. And this is the important note that complete Verilog and some part of COA is yet to be uploaded in digital design course. The test series will also be uploaded. Test series also not uploaded. And all this material will be provided by April, and this is the latest I have written. We will try to provide it by March end only. Okay, and after that you will have enough time for your preparation. March end is the latest I am saying. March end is the latest that I am saying. Till that point, we will be able to provide every single thing. Is that okay for you? So that's it. That's it from our side. I have told first I have told some general queries. Then I told you how to make your schedule, in how much time you can complete what all things. Then I told you about my YouTube courses and YouTube initiatives. Then we talked about these free notes, how to get the full notes, and then we talked about our courses. So this is how we proceed in this video. I hope you have a very clear idea how to proceed in your preparation. Okay, then yeah, thank you very much. I hope you found this video helpful, and you can share it with your friends that we are going to start again. I am saying we are from 6th January onwards we are going to start this playlist, so they can start studying from here, and then they can get to know that at what level they are. I should not say at what level they are. Then they can get to know whether you are interested in this field or not, because we are starting right from the scratch. Like if someone knows nothing about electronics, then also he can follow it. Okay, thank you very much.